Vegas, Vegas, Vegas.
Alright, so we finally checked into our room, and this is how high we are indoors.
Look at the spider.
What spider?
Look, you don't see, can your eyes see it? Look.
Oh yeah, look at him, he's crazy.
We can't see it, the camera.
Look how high we are. This is indoors,
Hold your
goddammit.
phone tight.
Yeah, right? I'm so goddamn nervous. Oh my god, me and heights don't mix, boy. You see how I'm standing. Look how I'm standing. I gotta brace myself.
You can't see your feet. You need to show your feet.
Oh my god. Alright, cool. That's enough of me. I'm getting sick.
Las Vegas. Las Vegas? Las Vegas. Vegas. So we just touched down. We left Philly. It was like 20 degrees. We get here. It's like 20 degrees.
35.
It's cold as a mug in this joint. So we gotta turn right here.
No. Keep going straight.
All right. I have no idea where the hell I am. I really
Okay,
don't.
now you're gonna turn right
Okay,
here.
so I'm turning right. Word on the street is that they got pretty good food in this joint. That's the word on the street. If it's not, I'm throwing pancakes like frisbees at people in this
That was
joint.
inside the joint?
Let's see what's up, man. What's up to the party people?
What's up to the party people?
So I had to catch this view for y'all. We go on our way to the Staccato range day event, but I wanted to catch that view for y'all, man. Look at that. That is incredible. That is so decent. Oh, shit. Look at my baby. She a trooper out here freezing. Let me see. Let me see.
Yeah, you ready to shoot our first
Absolutely.
It's freaking cold out here, man.
I know you guys are freezing.
Freezing and anything. Tell you what.
That is very nice.
So this is gonna be our HDP4.
Okay.
This is gonna be the HDP 4.5. Totally different pistol than we've been making.
Okay.
Still the 2011 platform. What we've done is we've taken off the backstrap safety number 1. Therefore, it enables us to shave off the spur a little bit, making it a lower bore access shooting gun.
Nice.
Also, another big one is it takes block mags.
Yeah, that's
But it still keeps 22-degree angle that we have in our guns. Also, ambidextrous everything for you lefties out there. So ambidextrous magazine release, ambidextrous slide stop over here. Also, this is a Series 80. So it has the safety plunger on the slide and a lifter in the frame, therefore making it drop safer.
So, how many rounds do you think was fired today?
I'm sorry?
How many rounds do you think were fired today?
Today, we went through 3 of these. This is our 4th box, so 3, well, almost 4,000.
That's incredible.
And what?
Any oil? Any cleaner?
We've been oiling them on the go, but we haven't cleaned them at all.
That's incredible.
Yeah,
That's
so.
awesome.
And then also we put the rear sight in front of the optic. And this one's going to have our sight block making, lessening the muzzle flip on it.
Awesome.
I'm so sorry for my dirty hands.
No. I was literally about to say your hands are awesome. Look at her hands. She is in it, everybody. She's in it.
That's right.
That is awesome. I got my
So
camera lady here.
a little bit fatter in the grip here because of the internals for the ambi. And the frame is a little bit wider also. A 4 to 4.5 pound trigger pull on this. Ready to shoot?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
I want to see how I can go with my Ooh, everybody.
Awesome gun. Awesome. I got two pups.
That is so good. This,
22.
yes.
Okay.
This is one to watch. And that's what it should. So nice. That's insane. That's insane. This is an absolute exclusive. You will not be seeing this no time soon. Probably March. Is what I think. It's threaded on, and it comes just like that. You will not be seeing this again. It's not even in the stores yet. You won't see it until March. And guess what? I'm about to shoot it right now. Absolutely about to tear this up right now. My baby gonna hold the camera. Boom.
And they're like, we'll buy a gallon. I was like, okay, 35 bucks for a gallon.
Gotcha.
But it's all organic, so it's expensive. Yes, it does. I signed up, but I had to switch days because I have TCQ. It's good because that's when the awards and stuff are going to get started. Friday and I teach at Oh yeah, what's your Yeah. 636 8850.